how to set minimum nights on a Booking.com listing. You want to log into Extranet, you will go to their website and sign in with your property credentials. You will then go into calendar or rates and availability. You want to click on the calendar or the rates and availability tab at the top of the page. You will then select the dates. You want to choose the dates for which you want to set a minimum stay. You can click and drag over multiple days. Find minimum length of stay. You will look for an option like minimum length of stay or minimum stay. Under these settings for the selected dates, you will enter the number of the nights. Type the minimum number of nights you want guests to stay, for example 2, 3, etc. Save your changes. You will click the save button or wait for the system to auto save your changes and just double check, go back to your calendar and confirm that the changes are indeed in place. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.